I've come out this afternoon to Lake Teganuma to take my maiden voyage with my new DJI Air 2S. And I'm pretty excited to get this thing into the air, and this is a great spot to do it at because number one, there's lots of natural scenery, lots of beauty to see around here, but just as importantly, there's lots of space, no buildings or towers or anything like that, so it's a great place for my first flight. So I've got to do a few things really quick to set up, do some pre-flight safety checks, and then it's time to take off. Well, that was a pretty good maiden voyage, I think, all things considered. I got to fly around on my own some. I got to try out the Master Shots feature, which was pretty cool. So yeah, definitely a good maiden flight, I think. I do still have a lot to learn. Definitely need to get used to some things. Honestly, the biggest thing I think I'm not used to is flying in Japan. I mean, I know the rules, I've looked at them, but I'm still a little bit uncomfortable with everything, so hopefully I'll get more used to that as I use the drone more. And I definitely plan on using this more in future videos, so I look forward to that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly did, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon, but until then, stay safe and happy shooting.